You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're just stuck in a loop you didn't even create. And once you understand why, everything changes. The lie we believe. We're told success depends on motivation. Wake up early. Stay disciplined. Just push yourself harder. But here's the truth. You've tried that, and it didn't work. Because the problem isn't your willpower. It's that your brain is designed to avoid pain. And doing meaningful work feels painful. Not physically, but emotionally. When you open a blank page, it's not just paper. It's judgment, failure, self-doubt, the fear behind procrastination. Your brain loves comfort and hates uncertainty. That's why every time you start something new, it whispers, "What if I mess up? What if I'm not ready? What if people laugh?" And before you even realize it, your brain finds a distraction to protect you. Scrolling, eating, cleaning your room. You think you chose to procrastinate, but it was just your brain's way of keeping you safe. The hidden training. Here's something uncomfortable. You've been trained to procrastinate. Every app, every platform, every little red notification. They've taught your brain that quick pleasure equals reward. Your mind is addicted to instant gratification. But real progress? It's slow. It's silent. And that silence feels like failure to a brain raised on dopamine hits. So when you try to work deeply, it feels boring, even painful. The illusion of motivation. Motivation is an emotion, not a system. It rises and falls with your mood. You don't stay consistent because motivation isn't built for consistency. It's built for survival, to escape threats, not to chase dreams. That's why when you're inspired, you start. And when fear returns, you stop. The real reason you can't start. Deep down, you don't procrastinate because the task is hard. You procrastinate because you think failure means you're not enough. You delay so you can tell yourself, "I could have done it. I just didn't try." It's a defense mechanism, a way to protect your ego. Because if you never truly try, you never truly fail. But that also means you never truly win. The switch. The cure isn't do more. The cure is make it smaller. Your brain isn't afraid of action. It's afraid of overwhelm. Don't plan to run 5 miles. Just wear your shoes. Don't try to finish the project. Just open the file. Once you start, momentum takes over. Action is the antidote to anxiety. And the brain can't fear what it's already doing, rewiring the brain. Each small action sends a new signal. I'm safe when I take action. That's how you reprogram your mind, one micro win at a time. And the more you act, the less you fear. Because confidence isn't built by success. It's built by survival. The proof that you can handle discomfort and still move forward, the real freedom. You stop running from your tasks. You stop negotiating with your own mind. You simply act. Not because you force yourself to, but because your brain now believes action is safe. That's real freedom. Procrastination isn't your enemy. It's your brain's alarm, asking for safety. And when you stop fighting it and start teaching it, you become unstoppable. So, don't wait to feel ready. Act scared. Act small. But act anyway. Because the person you want to be is waiting on the other side of resistance.